Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on stem and leaf plots. This is a lesson with a difference. My aim is to integrate mathematics, English and music. On the next slide, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about stem and leaf plots. The challenge for those who are musically minded is to create the music for this rap song. Also, the language buffs may decide to modify the words. Any use of the rap song must be for educational purposes only, not for commercial use. Finally, for those who really wish to extend themselves, the rap song can actually be sung using the created music. Oh, I almost forgot. There is a brief lesson after the rap song about stem and leaf plots. I hope you like what I've done. So here is the first slide, which contains the first three verses of the stem and leaf plots. I'll leave it on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Then I'll move on to the next part. Okay, I'll move on to the next part of the rap song, and here it is. These are the next three verses, which gives you 6 verses altogether. So pause it for as long as you like, but I'll leave it on for about another minute. Okay, let's move on to the brief lesson now. So here's an example about stem and leaf plots, exactly what we were talking about in the video. So organise the following test scores using a stem and leaf plot. So here we have 20 scores. The first thing we must do is organise the data in order, and that's what I've done here. So you have to be very careful when you do that, because we must not miss any numbers whatsoever. Now it's easy to place the above data in a stem and leaf plot. Now the stems, as we said in the poem or in the rap song, are the tens. Okay, the tens column. So for example, the 30, we have 3 in the tens column and 0 in the ones column. There it is there, 3 and 0. See that? The next number, 3 in the tens column and 6 in the units column. 3 and 6. And so on until we write down all the numbers. So basically you can see that we have 30 for the smallest number, and we have 86 for the largest, and all the numbers in between. So that gives you a basic introduction into stem and leaf plots, and it just follows on directly from the rap song. I hope you found it useful, and I'll just move on to the next slide now before we finish. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Also, please click the like icon and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you.